Have you noticed how quickly the new Camp Nou is transforming? Well, today's update might be one of the biggest yet. A massive new compression ring section has been installed. Both the north and south stands are progressing almost in perfect sync. The stadium's exterior is finally revealing its finished appearance. And inside, another major phase has officially begun as the old pitch is removed. Several key areas have reached important milestones, and some of the changes are impossible to miss. Let's jump straight into today's construction update. Work on the south stand compression ring continues to move forward with another steel box section successfully installed. Crews are now preparing the next support structures, indicating that another pillar and additional compression ring sections will soon be lifted into place. As construction approaches the corner of the stadium, the steel sections are becoming smaller to match the changing geometry, while steady progress continues along the entire south stand. The construction team continues to maintain a consistent pace, with each new section bringing the compression ring closer to completion. Inside the stadium, construction activity remains focused on both structural and maintenance work. Scaffolding has expanded across several areas, particularly around the Tribune, where crews continue preparing the upper levels for future installations. At the same time, pitch maintenance is underway as workers remove the natural grass while preserving the synthetic base underneath, ensuring the playing surface is ready for the team's return. Visible progress can now be seen across multiple interior sections as preparations continue for the next phase of development. Ceramic cladding installation has officially resumed on the south stand. Crews are once again installing the iconic blue and maroon facade panels, closing additional exterior sections near the super pillar. Although work has not yet reached the central core areas, the return of ceramic panel installation marks another major visual milestone in the stadium's transformation. More facade sections are expected to be completed as installation work continues over the coming days. The stadium's 3 diamond structures continue to make excellent progress. The first diamond has entered the concrete construction phase, while reinforcement and formwork preparation continue on the remaining structures. Each diamond is currently at a different stage of construction, gradually bringing the stadium's new architectural design to life. With several teams working simultaneously, progress remains steady across all 3 structures. Compression ring installation is advancing steadily around the stadium. Additional steel box sections are being positioned as crews continue extending the ring toward the corner and Tribune sections. Temporary support frames, lifting equipment, and structural preparations remain active, ensuring the next installations can proceed without interruption. Every successful installation further strengthens the stadium's future roof support system. Construction teams continue making strong progress on the south stand core structures. Steel framework, welding operations, and finishing work are ongoing throughout the elevator and staircase cores, while additional preparation is being completed for future ceramic cladding and facade installation. These structures will play a key role in supporting both stadium access and exterior finishing work. Sandwich panel installation continues around the south stand and VIP areas, with more core structures now becoming fully enclosed. Several sections have already received their exterior panels, while neighboring cores are being prepared for installation, gradually giving the stadium a more complete appearance. The growing number of enclosed sections is making the stadium look noticeably more finished with each update. Work on the 3rd tier continues at a steady pace. Scaffolding remains in place while crews carry out structural and interior preparations across multiple sections. Although hospitality spaces and public facilities will be completed during later phases, the supporting structures and access systems continue progressing toward completion. Construction remains focused on preparing the upper levels before the next major installation stages begin. The VIP ring remains one of the project's highest priorities. Construction teams are focusing on completing the surrounding access cores, elevators, staircases, and enclosed service areas required for its future opening. Significant progress is visible as more structural and enclosure work is completed throughout this section. Work is continuing at a consistent pace as crews prepare this important area for future operation. Construction on the North Stand compression ring continues with another steel box section successfully installed. The compression ring is steadily extending toward the Tribune corner, while smaller steel components are now being used to accommodate the stadium's curved design. Support structures and lifting operations remain active throughout the area. The gradual extension of the ring highlights the steady progress being made across the North Stand. Safety systems continue expanding alongside the structural work. Protective netting has been extended across additional sections of the North Stand, while crews also continue installing drainage systems and other supporting infrastructure around the upper cantilever areas. These protective measures allow construction to continue safely as work advances at higher elevations. Preparation work continues for the next phase of ceramic panel installation. Every mounting anchor is being carefully inspected, measured, and adjusted to ensure precise alignment before the facade panels are installed. This detailed preparation is essential for achieving the stadium's signature wave-like exterior design. Accurate positioning at this stage will help ensure a smooth and consistent facade installation later on. Construction activity continues throughout the Tribune stand, with crews advancing both structural and interior work. Additional scaffolding, construction materials, and temporary supports remain in place as workers prepare hospitality spaces, interior partitions, and future service areas. Progress across the Tribune remains steady as this important section moves closer to its next construction phase. More interior areas are gradually taking shape as work continues throughout the stand. The official stadium webcam also confirms that the compression ring has now advanced well beyond the halfway point of the south stand and continues moving steadily toward the corner and the main stand. Work is also advancing around the future parking entrance, where the surrounding ground has now been fully waterproofed. This marks an important milestone before the area is filled and brought up to its final elevation. Over the coming weeks, crews are expected to level the surface so it matches the finished height of the stadium access, bringing the parking infrastructure another step closer to completion and creating a seamless connection between the new entrance and the surrounding areas. Overall, construction continues to advance across every major area of the stadium. The compression rings are expanding, ceramic cladding has resumed, sandwich panels are enclosing more structures. The diamond buildings are progressing through multiple phases, and interior development continues inside the Tribune and upper tiers. With several construction activities taking place simultaneously, the stadium is steadily moving closer to its final world-class appearance.